Hello, welcome back. Today, we're diving into how to run an existing Django project using VS Code and the command line. It's easier than you might think. If you've inherited a project or cloned one from a repository, getting it up and running is the first step. Let's get started. First, open your project in VS Code. This means navigating to the project's folder in VSCode's File Explorer and opening it. Make sure you have the Python extension installed in VS Code. This extension helps with code completion and debugging. Next, we need to create a virtual environment. Open the VS Code terminal by going to View and then Terminal. In the terminal, type Python mven then press Enter. This creates a virtual environment named venv. Then, activate the virtual environment. On Windows, use venv \scripts \activate. On macOS and Linux, use source venv/bin/activate. You'll know it's activated when you see venv before your command prompt. Now it's time to install the project dependencies. Find the requirements.txt file in your project. This file lists all the packages your Django project needs. In the terminal, type pip install our requirements.txt and press Enter. This installs all the required packages. It might take a few minutes, depending on the project's dependencies. After installing the requirements, migrate the database. This applies any pending changes to your database. Type python manage.py migrate and press Enter. You might see some output indicating that tables are being created. If the project uses environment variables, you need to set them up. This often involves creating a .env file and defining the variables there. Check the project's documentation for specific instructions. Finally, you can run the Django development server. In the terminal, type python manage.py run server and press Enter. This starts the server. Look for a message that says something like starting development server at http://127.0.0.1:8000/. Open your web browser and go to that address. You should see your Django project running. If you encounter any errors, read the error messages carefully. They usually provide clues about what's wrong. Common issues include missing dependencies, incorrect database settings, or problems with environment variables. Remember to stop the server when you're finished by pressing Ctrl+C in the terminal. This gracefully shuts down the development server. Running an existing Django project is now a breeze. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Your support means a lot.